This is the, excuse me. This is the Pro Chucker 7, the beast, the monster, the smooth operator. But there's something different about it today. And it is right here. This is a CNC Pro Chucker 7 die plate from a company. I don't got its card on me. I'm trying to find a card for this company. Anyway, I'll let you know when I find a card. Anyway, yeah, I'm a CNC company. I got it off of eBay. It cost me $70, but that's a lot cheaper than paying $100. A minimum now, I think the cheapest I've seen now is $120, maybe $112, but $120 is what it costs now. Not $120, $220 just to get a die plate alone, because you can't get a die plate alone because RCBS won't sell you just the die plate without selling you the whole powder measure for $200 for a minimum excuse me, for a minimum of $220. So the $70 I paid for this, okay, you know, if you need it, you need it, and if you can get it for $70, get it for $70, and you can get a good one like this. You got the hole in the middle. There was a company that was doing these earlier on. They wanted $129 for this, for one of these plates. Just for the plate alone, $129, $130. It didn't have the hole in the middle, which I definitely like that hole in the middle. If you want to put a light in this bad boy, you can use that middle hole. But anyway, and this is $70. I'm gonna get the name of them and I'm gonna put it on this video. So in the beginning of this video and at the end of this video. So well, that's that. So I'm testing it today. I just put it in. Just got it. 9mm hookup. I'm putting all my dies in there. I have my dies in one of the originals. This one right here. Okay. And I'm going to take them out of here and put them in here just to test. I like the way it looks. It actually looks better than this. I mean, a lot better. Look at that. Nice and smooth, beautiful. And that looks like something from some sort of sci-fi nightmare. But it does work, so hey, what you going to do? Anyway, we're going to run it through its paces and right after this. New plate. But another thing I want to show you that is fantastic. Fantastic. And this is my advice to do this. Go get yourselves, or go purchase yourselves some of these 1-inch Dillon die lock screws, or what you want to call them. These bad boys right here. These bad boys give you more space than anything. I didn't think it was even possible, but these things are nice. They're made out of stainless steel. They're perfect. I bought these from Grafts and Son. These were the cheapest I could find. You know, and man, they're fantastic. I mean, this is actually better than what I thought. With these on, I can actually take a wrench this size, this fat wrench, regular wrench. I since ordered a Dillon wrench, but a regular wrench and fit between this bad boy. Look at that. Look at that. When I had them dies on there from before, the RCBS dies and the Lee die, I mean the die locks on there, lock screws on there before, the RCBS lock screws and the Lee lock screws and the Hornady lock screws, you couldn't get nothing in there. It was hard as hell to make adjustments. But with these, my God, these are beautiful. I get Dillon credit, boy. They really thought ahead. But man, you would think RCBS would have came out with a thinner screw, but not them. No, they don't want to do that. Now these don't lock up. They don't lock with a screw or a set screw or none of that stuff. But you're not gonna be moving them much anyway. Because once you lock this down on your die plate, you want to leave it like it is anyway. You know, just like a Dillon die plate, or you know, that Dillon die plates don't have. These are Dillon lock screws. They don't have The screw itself don't have a lock in it. They just screw down and they lock up. Because you're not going to be moving it. So you don't need that. But these are perfect for this 7-station beast. Perfect. So my advice is get yourself some 1-inch Dillon lock screws. The cheapest I found them so far was Graft and Sons. Do yourself a favor. That's 2 tips. This is like it's going to be a winner right here. This is nice. Cost me $70, but that's cheaper than $220, and a lot cheaper than the $255, $260 they was charging earlier. But yeah, so I already got a powder measure for it, and I already got an extra powder measure. I even got 2 Hornady powder measures. I don't want to have to go buy powder measures that I don't need. Excuse me. Powder measures I don't need. So that's 2 tips. I'm gonna leave the eBay information from where I bought this from. You know, they want it because they were selling it for $85, or your best offer. My best offer was $70, and they said right away. I mean, it was immediate. They said okay, and they was ready. And I paid that same instant, and they sent it. Right, they was quick with it. I mean, you know, so. And so far, I don't have any reason to see anything wrong with these. These are CNC. They thick and they're beautiful. That is beautiful the way that looks. Okay, there you go. CNC, my friend. It is nice so far. So let me continue.